Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, more change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped, even when the tide and the current start to share. I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be tricked.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Iseehair. Shout out to you, ISEE, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I have on is their ISEE Wear Go pre-plucked glueless wig, pre-cut lace closure wig, beginner friendly. So it is a water wave unit, and they did send it to me in 28 inches. It is one of those ultimate throw it on and get it moving type of wigs. It's pre-everything, it's pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, and it's pre-cut. So it's, like I said, throw it on and be out of here, okay? So this unit is available in a 4x4 or a 6x4. Now I do have the 6x4, which is the larger lace area. It says pre-cut lace, beginner friendly, adjustable elastic band, secure and stable, HD lace, match all skin types, no glue, no gel, easy to take off, 3D cap, stretchy and breathable, pre-plucked hairline, fully handmade. So those are all the details and specs that are on the site about this unit. Now you can wear this wig completely glueless, and I'll either insert a clip or you can just refer to the beginning of the video. When I first put it on, honey, you could not tell that old girl was not glued down, okay honey? So shout out to them. This is definitely HD lace. I did decide to utilize my Even Mousse, which is a really less messy adhesive. The mousse is good if you change your hair as much as I do, okay? But it's not something that holds like super long, in my personal opinion. Now, as far as shedding and tangling goes with this wig, I have not experienced any other things straight out of the packaging. That's not to say, oh girl won't at some point. It is a water wave, and to me, water wave is like a super loose texture, and I don't expect to really hit any snags or anything like that. I wouldn't be shocked if I did hit one or two. But honestly, y'all, I did not hit anything with this wig. It was just easy breezy, beautiful cover girl, okay? As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is extremely big head friendly. I have a lot of space back here after utilizing the detachable elastic band. So in my opinion, it's more medium to large head friendly, definitely more so on the large head friendly side, but it does have that elastic band, so you can make it as tight as you want. So in my opinion, when it has that band, then to me it can work across the board. But honey, I only got the head that's on my shoulders, so do with that what you want to do with that, girl. And as I stated, this unit did come pre-tweezed and pre-cut, and as you guys can see, it was tweezed to perfection in my opinion. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note, and the con for this unit is gonna be that there are no combs. Your girl need a comb. I I need a comb, okay? So that is gonna be my comb with this wig. Now, as far as the pros, I love a good water wave. I love the length of this hair. It's just giving me all the vacation vibes that I need and wish I was on a vacation right now, honey, okay? It is giving me all the vacation vibes. I love that it's pre-tweezed. I love that it was pre-cut, and I love that it was slightly pre-bleached. I love all of the things about this unit. So, yeah, those are my pros. Alright, y'all, obviously I would recommend this wig. Did you not hear my pros, honey? Plus, it is the ultimate beginner friendly / lazy girl friendly wig. So yes, I would recommend this unit. And did you see that packaging, y'all? I would recommend the unit just off the packaging, honey. We live for a good packaging, okay? Chef's kiss with that packaging. I love pink. Moving on. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. This is where it comes to me. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. Alright, y'all, so y'all let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. Once again, shout out to you, Iseehair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bucks next time. Bye.